Look at this. Something's been chomping on this poke salad. Ooh, I scared the bunnies away. Oh, there it goes. Oh, man. I must have been standing right on top of that bunny rabbit and didn't even know it. I was looking at the poke salad. I was thinking about, I must have been deer here, eating on this poke salad here. I flushed that bunny rabbit out. And there's that thing there. I think these, oh, there goes the bunny. Yeah, I scared them. I frightened them. I think they live under there. I think this is their home, actually. Oh, well, there was another one. How many bunnies do I have anyway?